Hello, my name is Noe,
Hello, my name is Nathan.
Hi, my name is Jocelyn.
and we're a part of the Transportation, Distribution, and Logistics Career Cluster.
Pursuing collision repair.
In this pathway, you can earn the EPA 609, which we have all earned. And basically what it does, it lets you work on coolants inside of cars and like change them out for something new, and also buy like coolants that like regular people wouldn't be able to buy at shops.
You can work on cars and vehicles. Let's say you like to customize cars and stuff like that. All of this, like the layout is going to be the same way how you're going to look at it at an actual shop. You can, repair cars, paint, and, fix dents. We also learn how to weld a little bit, MIG welding, just in case you want to learn.
And our shop is almost exactly set up as in the real world. So you get real experience like how you would in a real shop.
We also get the same experience of safety in this shop as we would in another shop. We use our face shields, for example, safety glasses, face masks, so it can protect us from any toxins that we don't need to inhale that are very bad for us. So it's very important to use safety measures while in the shop.
I knew it was the right pathway for me because I wanted to learn a trade that would help me out in the future, and I feel like it's right for me because I can fully understand the fundamentals of collision repair.
And if you like cars and customizing, it's a great place to work on. You can, fix cars, paint cars, fix dents, all that stuff.
Taking a vehicle that's damaged is rewarding. Being able to look at it renewed after you fixed it it's like a very rewarding feeling, knowing that you were able to repair the damaged vehicle.